and that is essential and compulsory for all the countries. So, in that perspective, also, this is become one of the important agenda for the government also, how to see that we do more carbon sequestration. So these are the important things around that we are working. But biochar, the jargon that came initially for mostly agriculture, because from terra preta we have derived. Traditionally also, people had been using mostly for this agriculture sustainability. But because we have different names given in industrial area, like activated carbon, whether it is from your own drinking water, we have filters or air purifier, and even sanitation. So everywhere they are there. So it's an integral part actually. So that's why one of the jargon that I was more conversant to give for my book also is biochar culture. Because like agriculture, horticulture, these things had been there. Only biochar is the new jargon given. Like for just one child we give some nickname, later on we give another name. So otherwise what they were calling is simply charcoal. But charcoal has multiple things to do other beyond biochar also. So I call charcoal as superset. I am not telling. IPCC report clearly says biochar is a kind of charcoal material. So let us not debate much on the definition. There are umpteen definitions to confuse people. The more you download, the more you see, you think that I am not the right person or not doing it rightly. So that is the problem. So let us redefine things for our own ecology, for our own condition, for our knowledge, skills, community. That's why artisanal biochar is a big thing for carbon credits. Traditionally, nobody agreed because burning anything outside will lead to smoke. But the plants that would survive on that and they would multiply, I mean to say by biomass, at least 2x, 4x, 5x times. So that is doing carbon sequestration. And for 1000 years minimum it is going to be there. So why you worry? Something like that. The things have been evolved as of now. So the best technology without much emissions are also accepted. Even artisanal kind of biochar is also accepted, and everything is for carbon credits already. They are there. Neeraj is there already. He is working on that. He is an expert on that. Then this because this is going to address our food security, the most important issue as of now. The global food security is a major concern, and livestock management, environmental sustainability, industrial applications, manufacturing, health, sanitation, green buildings also like bricks. We are telling. So this water treatment, urban gardens, then ultimately climate change, the biggest issue that we all are facing now currently. Then this with this outline, this everybody understands, and here also everybody is not looking only for one aspect. This biochar, like Shravan has aptly said, I'm not looking just for one thing because it has applications for every area. So reuse and reuse, that is the biggest thing we have to bring up here in this biochar. Not applying directly to soil, use it once, then apply. Like you use in your poultry or your own animal husbandry, where your urine, slurry, everything is there. You reduce emissions by using biochar. Same thing, it is charged actually, activated. Then again use for the soil. That way we can have two uses rather than applying. Like in construction, bricks, biochar bricks. Once it is demolished, where it will go? Again, it will sustain the soils and other things. Otherwise, our construction base is not helping in any way. So like that, these kind of things you have to evolve now. Multiple uses of biochar. Here the club structure, it's an outline. And second thing is like bamboo biochar when we use something like high-end high quality biochar, it can emit like far infrared radiation. That is good for your health also. Yes. So again, then this is very light for you to keep anywhere, especially in your dashboard for your vehicles. When you keep, usually we keep more like emitting some kind of perfume, speaking that it is freshening us, it is more polluting. So instead, you can keep these kind of things everywhere. So that will add lots of value. And yeah, ultimately this is carbon sequestration. Buddha himself is doing some carbon sequestration in this form. Okay. So you can have different shapes, different modes. But this is what I mean to say is ultimately when you are selling Biochar, what is the price? 10 rupees to 20 rupees to 100 rupees, whatever it is online. Let us say. But once I am putting some Biochar here, what could be the price you want to buy? Let us say here. You put any price. I will not say anything. Just say some price. Anybody here?
500.
Huh?
200, 500.
Very good. So it means hardly 20 grams is equal to 200 rupees. So 1000 grams means how much it is, like something like that. Okay, it is going into like thousands of rupees. So some value addition happened now. Third thing is even it gets trampled and demolished and it goes into soil, it benefits. You can grow plants with this material. You put water and make stir it, then put some soil, then you can grow a plant. So environmentally this is perfect. I want more Ganeshas to be immersed in our Hussain Sagar with this Biochar. So that my water is treated. Like that you can be more innovative rather criticizing why you are doing that. I will tell that do this way. So like that we have umpteen solution. This is only one experiment. I was very keen and I learned myself. I am not an artist. Slowly with modes and everything. But I want to prove that yes, this is what one can do. Something like that. Small things. So with this lots of enterprises can come. Netaji said, why don't you make a Buddha like this with Biochar? In every hotel, every place, this Buddha should be there. That's a good idea.
Yes.
Yeah, we can do that.
It's the
Especially
best
your
way
enterprise, sir,
to reach to the common man.
Women
To
we
the
can
corporate
train ourselves.
enterprise. आप जो गिफ्ट देते हैं ना,
Yes, sir.
what we giving.
I just want to know the cost wise. Compared with what is in the market, is it costlier or cheaper?
Which one, sir?
The biochar ideal.
What I prepared is any locally available biochar only. It is not a special biochar.
Yeah.
You can get the best biochar also. Still, your product is viable to sell. Means the costliest biochar also. I mean to say like Sudhakar surface, the best quality with all values in it. If I apply that also in this, the cost will be still I can be profitable. Something like this. So most important group that is required is license group. Here why we are telling is we want each one according to their already what they are doing and their interest. They could join this functional group. This is become more important than the clubbing. Ultimately say license group. This is very very important for both government and CSR and other things. A very critical thing. Those who are already into good at this thing. They should lead this. Then biochar fortified biofertilizers for soil amendments and agriculture sustainability. This is a very big area. So ultimately those who are working they can join. Then application of biochar for processing municipal waste. This is a big area. See, always you need not cultivate edible plants or something. Even greenery development for using that is also fine. Otherwise, any of this sludge is going somewhere. Plants are coming. Instead of that, convert into biochar and then other plants come up. So something like that it can happen. Even energy plantations can come up. Then biochar for animal husbandry sector. This is huge. We have not touched much this area. Right from feed additive to even what they can consume. We are also consuming some biochar almost every day, knowingly, unknowingly. Your roti has some biochar, or your corn cob has some biochar, or roasted peanut has some biochar. So that is helping us actually. So like that, animals will also lots of benefits from this biochar when intention, especially poultry. There is lots of smell and emissions. Even agriculture emissions is a major contributor for climate change. You have to remember. And it is beautiful black tea. This black will not go. Any pigment might go with the age. The color might come down. But I am using only biochar here. I am not using artificial pigment. So that is long lasting as it is. Something like that. So it has its own value.
I think this patent should be young.
No patent, sir. I am against patent. Remember, I am an open knowledge person. I am also leading an organization called GOSH. I am founder member of the international organization. rounding open size hardware. This is for common good. Anything to do with millions of people, I'm against patent. All my
What's the name, sir? What you said? Which
Bosch, Konda, that is in Canada. It was formed. I was the founder member in 2009. I was called only for one reason. They asked me, why you are not patenting your house? Why you are not patenting all this? I said, these are meant for poor people and for millions of people. Why I should patent? That was the only reason.
But I would